Lordship, due to COVID-19 lockdown, the petitioner was unable to report his duty. For 34 days, the salary they have not paid. For that purpose,
petition ಇದು
please, he
34 ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
is not, he is a retired person, retired employee.
34 ದಿನ.
He reported duty after 34 days.
At that time,
ಡೇಟ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್, ಡೇಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ.
electricity.
Yes, fast.
On 6/5/2021, the one B Manjunath was transferred in the place of petitioner. On 7/5/2021, he relieved the petitioner relieved from the post. From 7/5/2021 till 21/6/2021, there was a lockdown. Government imposed lockdown.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ?
10/5/2021 till 21/6/2021.
21 ಈ ತರ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
I have produced
2020 ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್.
SOP I have produced annexure.
Complete lockdown ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು only from 21st March 2020 till April for 45 days till April.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Because of the transportation of ಹುಬ್ಳಿಯಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. That is a
ಹುಬ್ಳಿಯಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ.
ಹುಬ್ಳಿಯಿಂದ.
It was not applicable to the
ಆಮೇಲೆ anything else? ಈಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 34 ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ
ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಯಾವತ್ತು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದ್ರಿ?
ಚೀಫ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ Lordship, on 21/6/21 I have joined.
ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇದು?
Annexure G1 circular.
Annexure H already issued actually. That period has been treated as
10 days period.
Dice non
under regulation 98.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ನಿಮ್ ಡೈಸ್ ನಾನ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತು.
Lordship is aware.
Dice non will not die.
Actually, what he is telling, the reason for not reporting, waiting for 34 days, is lockdown period. The guidelines issued by the government, he is relying. So that guidelines is not
guidelines issuing.
Guidelines issued by the government, restrictions imposed during period of the lockdown.
Intermittent.
In fact, that is not applicable.
Statutory limitation extend
it is not applicable. It is not applicable. Certain the services actually electric service actually.
ಇದು ರಿಟ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್. ಬಿಗ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Only one submission the financial
ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಹರಾಕಿರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, you treat it as if it's your personal fiefdom, imposing penalties upon employees, not paying pension for ages. 34 ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ. You don't like his face ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Not reported within time.
Correct. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
Financial advisor.
Financial advisor post actually very important post. He is supposed to join. May I seek short time?
No sir, why sir?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ 34 days.
I understand.
34 days salary, 340 days ಆಯ್ತು petition pending ಆಗಿ.
Till Monday please.
Tuesday.
At
the request of council, DS Committee, list the matter on Tuesday in fresh matters.
Please.
Next.
My lord, the petitioner is no more. May I seek?
Case is no more.
He died.
Close the case aga.
My lord,
the case ಏನು ಉಳಿತು? ಏನಿದು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, the case of the petitioner is that he was not given the regular salary.
Oh, ಇದು
ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ
ಯಾವ
ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್.
When did the petitioner die?
2023 ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I am yet to get the details with respect to that.
Regular employee. What?
ಹೌದು, regular appointed.
What is the issue?
The issue is that, my lord, there are certain allegation against the petitioner that
allegation ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ, is no more. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇರೆ issue ಏನು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, he was regularly appointed by a resolution and thereafter appointment is confirmed by the Jilla Panchayat.
Minutes here, minutes.
ನೀವು ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿಗ?
Please notes, I beg to for response number 3 minutes, the Taluk Panchayat. Notes, what happens is, notes, since 2012, he has not at all, minutes, joined the services. Notes, the petitioner here, in minutes, I have produced notes the entire documents to show that. I did it notes.
Terminate ಆಗಿತ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Please notes.
Terminate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Minutes, what has appeal?
Notice ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ?
Notes, notice is notes, he have produced notes, it starts minutes from annexure, minutes R4 at page number 9. Notes, there are two allegations against him. One is notes of he is a bill collector. The bills, notes, the taxes which were collected were not notes repaid back, and to that effect notes he had notes given an endorsement.
ಯಾವಾಗಾರು ಕೆಲಸ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಬನ್ನಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Notes, notice is issued notes stating that notes you have to pay the amount to that notes.
Where is which annexure R?
Notes R4 notes.
Date ಏನದು?
Notes, that is notes 27/7/2012.
27/7/2012. R4
R4 at page 9. There are two allegations
ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆ
against him.
ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿ ತೆರವುಗೊಳಿಸೋ
One is in alcoholic condition, not he goes not
ಎಂಟು
to the.
ಈಗ ಸದರಿ ನಡತೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅನಧಿಕೃತ ಗೈರು ಹಾಜರಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ, 8 ದಿನಕ್ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ಬಂದು ಹಾಜರಿಗೆ ಸಹಿ ಹಾಕಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ, ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಲಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರದೆ ತಮ್ಮ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಸಮಯವನ್ನು ವ್ಯರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಸ ಕರ ವಸೂಲಿಗಾರರ ಖಾನ್ ಮುದಗಲ್ಲ ಸೋರ್ಸ್.
And amount to the tune of 1,52,000 milots was retained by him. The tax amount which he was supposed to milots give back.
ಆಮೇಲೆ 12 ಇಂದ ಬಂದೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ?
ಬಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ milots. In fact milots, may I take milots for a moment
ಕಾರಣ
at page
ಕೇಳು,
15 milots.
ಕಾರಣ ಕೇಳುವ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ತಂದು ತಹಸೀಲ್ದಾರ್ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸೋನ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಸೇವೆ ಮದ್ಯಪಾನ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಲಿವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ our allegations.
Well, R8, for a moment, R8 is a milots bond executed by him stating that yes, I have misappropriated, give me some time, I will pay the entire amount. R8 milots. This is the bond executed by him milots in favor of Gram Panchayat.
2017 ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
17 ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
And so for a salary is concerned, milots, I am told that not still 2012 milots, I have produced milots the entire document. Till he was present, entire salary was paid. I don't think that not she had even milots tampered with the document also. Not she had produced two
The
documents.
petitioner is before this court
May I
seeking, no sir, seeking the
Alla,
following
I
prior-
shall file an application for bringing
No,
LRs.
no sir, don't worry about that.
Please.
The petitioner himself has no case. Where is the LRs coming in here?
Alla,
The petitioner,
may I request your lordship
no
to?
sir, yes. They heard the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner and the respondent. The petitioner today is no more. The learned counsel Lord Khan submits that the right to sue would survive if this court would render the reason that that the petitioner was entitled to some monetary benefit. Therefore, the matter is taken up. So you don't worry.
Please.
Yes. The petitioner, the husband of the petitioner during his lifetime was appointed as a bill collector in Talugera Panchayat, Kushtagi Taluk, pursuant to a process of recruitment. The petitioner served the Gram Panchayat up to 2012. In 2012, began to remain unauthorizedly absent. Owing to the unauthorized absence of the petitioner, a communication is made on 21/7/2012 to the petitioner. The communication reads as follows. Annexure R4, page 9. The reason for this communication is that the petitioner was alleged misappropriation of funds. ಇದೇ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಟಣೆ ಏನು? ಪಂಚಾಯತಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್
Not
ರಸೀದಿ.
Sadhu with in intoxicated condition, not she had visited mini Vidhan Soda to that. Not seen.
Alla, he was deputed to work at the mini Vidhan Soda for the public work. It is the case of the
TVL
respondent that he was intoxicated.
Of course, yes.
Alla,
The be that ಅದೇನ್ ಬೇಡ ಬಿಡಿ. So and so.
alla, thereafter, notice was issued, legal notice was issued to the Gram Panchayat.
You don't worry. ಇಂಥವೆಲ್ಲ ಇರಲೇಬಾರದು. Yes. The communication reads as follows. The communication is indicative of the fact that the petitioner had misappropriated certain amounts and was regularly irregular to his work and did not and was attending the office 8 days once at his whim and fancy and marking attendance 8 days once. The petitioner was issued further notice on 29/6/2012. It reads as follows. After issuance of plethora of notices, the petitioner is said to have appeared before the authority and gives an undertaking that he would repay the entire amount. The undertaking is as follows. Neither the amount is paid nor the petitioner returns back to duties. Therefore,
30,000 rupees is
30,000
recovered.
30,000 ಕೊಟ್ರಾ?
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ,
Page
ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Out of which the amount of misappropriation was at 1,41,617, out of which in terms of the agreement, the petitioner is said to have repaid 30,000. After the repayment, the petitioner is said to have remained again absent. And ಇದೇನಿದು?
2016 Taluk Panchayati office refers a letter to the Gram Panchayat to take him to services.
It
That is dated
transpires
11/11,
that
2016.
in the year 2018, the Taluk Panchayat communicates to the Gram Panchayat to take the petitioner back to duties. Then he, ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಲ್ವಾ?
ಬಂದೇ
ಹೌದು,
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಬಂದೇ
there is a letter issued by, now they create
The respondent.
2018 letter, my lord.
The
annexure M1.
contention of the petitioner is that they never took the petitioner back to duties. The contention of the respondent is the petitioner never appeared before the Gram Panchayat for him to take back to duties. These are all in the realm of seriously disputed questions of fact. To thrash out today, the employee himself is not there. The bringing in the family into these proceedings in the aforesaid facts would be neither here nor there, as the petitioner admittedly is not entitled to any relief for his conduct throughout his service, as it was a case of misappropriation, in misappropriation and always being in the office in an inebriated state and not performing his duties. With all these allegations, though, inquiry ought to have been conducted, but in the case at hand, nothing has been done and nothing has been lost by the petitioners. In that light, petition does not deserve any indulgence. Petition lacking in merit stands rejected. The rejection of the petition would not come in the way of the wife submitting representation to the Gram Panchayat to seek any terminal benefits.
ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ರು?
Representation, the dismissal of this petition will not come in the way of the wife submitting a representation seeking the terminal benefits accrued to the hands of the husband, who is now no more, to be paid to the wife. The dismissal of this petition will not influence the Gram Panchayat to disburse any terminal benefits that the wife or the legal representatives of the petitioner would be entitled to. The same shall be considered in accordance with law and disbursed to the wife in the event of claim being made.
Please.
ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
Time, first ಕೊಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಇವತ್ತೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಇವತ್ತೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ.
In the event such a representation would spring from the hands of the wife of the petitioner, the Gram Panchayat shall consider the same in accordance, is the wife of the petitioner within 4 weeks from today.
In accordance with.
Obviously, the Gram Panchayat shall consider the same within 12 weeks thereafter, strictly in consonance with law.
Please. Great.